I'll let the screen do all the talking. First rate, it's not going to be a jumbo grand start, and it is not a jumbo grand start. A lot of red, but a little bit of green. The small and the mid cap indices are chugging along. Nifty is trading with a flat bias with a minor uptick of 10-11 points here. The breadth is looking charged up. It's not looking phenomenal, but it's looking charged up nevertheless. Paytm, circuit up. Hindalco, 5% higher. Circuit up for Paytm. Just moving from circuit to circuit. Hindalco, 3% higher. Let's look at some more stocks which are in Swan Energy, 4,000 crore QIP, and it's just sailed through, 761 for Swan Energy. That's there on your screen. ET now broke the story yesterday of this large mega fundraise, and just big guys have participated in it in terms of pedigree. But the breadth is looking decent. The market tone is not looking bad at all, and Z is down 9%. Yesterday it was up 10%, down 9%. And I'm going to urge to our viewers that wait for clarity. Like they say in English, it's better to play seen rather than blind. In Z, I think, don't try to play the blind. If the news is true, you will get a lot of upside in terms of where the stock will go. And if the news is not true, then trust me, the stock will see a lot of downside. I don't know what's coming. At least we don't know at ET now. So I would say that in markets, it's better to play seen rather than blind. Don't preempt what is next. Wait for the turns and the news to emerge before you take a conclusive bet on the stock. Anisha?
Well, yes, lots of volatility on Z Entertainment, but at least the markets at the Nifty level has opened at a fresh record high, so that's something to write home about. But watch out for Devyani International. The block deal happened on that one. Campus Activewear was the other one. There was a large deal that happened ahead of the market open. ABB India, it was a better than estimated performance on margins and order inflow. We are also watching out for Union Bank, that 3,000 crore QIP, which they have launched, will accelerate the loan growth going forward. There were a couple of acquisitions and tie-up that Wipro has done, as well as Tech Mahindra. Let's see if there is any amount of interest on some of those IT names or not. But what's really doing well today, starting on the front foot, is clearly metals, not just Hindalco, of course, on account of Novelis, but Jindal Steel, JSW Steel. These are the stocks which are also up in the trading session. From the two-wheeler basket as well, there is a decent amount of momentum, so not opening with a big red tick, but Hero MotoCorp is something that we should bring up on the radar and see what is that up to. The IT sector has started on the back foot and just tracking in terms of the other movers. You have K-Fintech as well, wherein there was a fresh brokerage note that came out from Jefferies. So that stock has opened with a gap up of around 4%. GR Infrastructure, where there was an order inflow, is also up 3%. On the losing side, it's all about All Cargo as well as Infosys, which are down in the trading session, and so is TCS. But time now to take the first trades with our chartist, Naresh. What has caught your attention?
So ICICI Bank, it would be on any intraday dips. The stock has broken out into new all-time highs. So looks promising. Could be slowly heading up towards the 1150 mark.
Okay, ICICI Bank. So after HDFC Bank, is it the turn of ICICI Bank? But Kunal, what's on your agenda?
Well, I'll go with HDFC Bank as a hold, something which we initiated last week at the sub 1400 mark. Now looks attractive at 1450 levels, and expecting this trend to sustain for HDFC Bank at least over the near term.